Right, you are in a pub or you've gone in a public place, and then they were told you that you put the sanitizer in your hands like this, and then you squeeze the whatever. But I want to tell you that there is this guy who is going to cough in front of you, and then you inhale the coronavirus from the guy. And then what are you going to do to prevent that coronavirus to attack you? This is what you are going to do. This is a scientist, Martin Chianga Dawila. So you do this, and then what? This, and then inhale the content. Inhale, and then inhale through the other nose. Then you are healed, because all the corona has been spread through the vapor of the alcohol, and then it goes to the corona. The coronavirus dies in all your nostrils, in your trachea, everything. The coronavirus will be killed.
What if he comes back again and goes again?
Yeah? Right.